Come on, cows. Come on, cows. Easy, girl. And we got us a little cattle drive. And there's just a soft wire fence on each side, and it's wrapped around the trees. It's not hot or anything. Come on, girls. They're usually pretty calm. I mean, what'll happen is one or two of them will stop to smell something or whatever, and then they kind of all bunch up. And that's the only time I've ever had a calf go underneath the wire, because everyone came to a stop and the calves wanted to see what's going on. But typically it goes pretty easy. As long as everybody stays calm. That's the most important thing, is everybody being calm. And there's easy, Grace. Easy now. And it's funny, actually, Grace is usually the one that she gets squirrely. She'll end up passing me more than likely. She'll just end up going right on by at some point, which is right now. But she don't go far. She'll go to the end. Good girls. But they're staying tight. They're keeping bunched right on me. Usually they're a little bit spread out, but they must be excited to come home and get some fresh green grass. Easy, girls. Easy now. It's okay. It's a little wide. I got a feeling they're gonna go on by. That's okay. We're most of the way down through the woods now. Just got a little way to go. Maybe 100 yards. There's that big bull coming down. It's funny, the bulls will always go in the end. For the most part, it's always a female leading, and the bull stays back. Good girls. Around, back. There they go. There they go. Nice fresh grass. That's the end. And that was the big cattle drive.